Hello my old school soul food family, Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Alright y'all, this old school soul food deal of the week. I got a couple of items, company Geekhom, Geekhom, sent out to me a couple of items that they wanted me to kind of promote. One I absolutely love. I have two of these, and this one's gonna be shipped back out to old school soul food. Like I told y'all been watching me, paying attention. A lot of people don't watch these old school deals of the week, so they're gonna miss out. Then I ship them out to some one of y'all old school soul food family members. I'm definitely gonna ship out this spring form pan and these oven mitts, cause I already have one of each already. So I'm gonna rebox them up and I'm gonna send them back out. The shipping is not gonna kill me. But I want to show y'all, this is going to be a 20% discount. I'm putting everything in the description of the video. The link to each product, the price will show up. I got a discount code I'm going to add on there. And the discount code never expires. And it's an awesome deal. So let me open these up. Let me open up the oven mitts. You know, I use towels a lot. But I do use oven mitts, y'all, when I do a lot of barbecuing outside. I use them then. These are awesome because they're rubber. See this? They're actually rubber oven mitts, which is even more better. That's why I like these for outside instead of in the stove, because they're heat resistance. I love rubber more than cloth. Like I say, they stay cleaner, easier than cloth, of course, and they're easier to take care of. And these I think are like 20 bucks if I'm not mistaken online on the website. I'm gonna put everything, a link in the description of the video, y'all, so y'all can definitely see. Okay, let's open these spring form pans up. I call these my cheesecake pans. That's exactly what I call these. And this is a deal, y'all. I'm gonna tell you why I want to open the box up. Like I said, I already got this. It's not only the spring form pans, there's more stuff in here with it. And these are like, I think normally 38 bucks. I think with the discount, maybe it come out to 20-something dollars after the discount. Let's open this up here. Look at this, y'all. You don't only get 3 pans, you get 3 pans. 1, 2, 3. Spring form pans. Like you making a triple birthday cake. One thing I like about it, look at that. Like I say, I've done this before with cheesecakes like this. I need to do a video on that. On the cheesecakes I do, stack like that is absolutely amazing. So you get 3 pans, and you get the liners that go in the bottom of the pan. See that? You got the liners that go in the bottom of the pan so it don't stick. You got maybe, I think it's like maybe 30 or 40 of them. Plus, you get the offset spatula and the other spatula, with these amazing piece of equipment. Y'all seen me ice cakes before with the offset spatula? These things are invaluable to have in your kitchen, y'all. So yeah, you get all these. I think it's like 38 bucks. I'm not for sure. I'm gonna put a link in the description in the video. These, of course, I'm putting the box back up because I'm gonna ship these out to some surprising old school soul food family member, and hopefully somebody that can use it. But yeah, I got plenty more old school soul food deals of the week coming, y'all. And people say they really enjoy this segment because it gives them, you know, something they might want at a major deal. And of course, like I said, one of y'all gonna get it for free, not to pay nothing for it. But yeah, so anyway, a little quick video. Just me, like I say, just me sticking to my word, helping others with a purpose. Yes, helping others with a purpose by giving this to you or giving you a major discount. Like I say, the name of the website is Geekhom, Geek.com, and I'll put everything in the description of the video. So yeah, I'm gonna do one of these a week, starting in February, the week of February 14th. At least one every week or one every other week. I have lots more to share. I got another air fryer to share, a blender, coffee maker. I got a knife set. A lot of stuff to share with y'all. All of them come with major discount codes, y'all. So to kind of help y'all out. So, you know, money's tight right now. The economy is kind of crazy. So every little bit helps. So anyway, y'all, if you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022. Helping others with a purpose. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.